Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the chat, open the conversation, and tap the contact header to access settings. Choose Preferences, then locate the Translate or Language option and enable it now. Once done, pick your preferred language for incoming and outgoing messages and make sure automatic detection is on for mixed languages. You do this because automatic translation saves time and prevents manual copying. It runs in the background, so you can continue chatting without interrupting the flow. Test with a short. Now you refine how translations behave. Select source and target languages, or leave auto-detect active to catch multiple tongues. If available, switch between basic and advanced engines. The advanced option gives more natural phrasing, but uses more data. Once configured, apply per contact overrides so specific chats keep a preferred language. Make sure notifications reflect translations, and test by sending idioms or slang to see how the engine handles context. This helps you spot odd literal translations early. Finish by sending test messages both ways and compare original text with translated results so you can confirm accuracy. Once done, if translations stop appearing, clear the app cache, toggle translation off and on, or restart the device. If issues persist, make sure your app is up to date and report the problem to support with screenshots and example phrases. This speeds diagnosis. One tip: temporary network glitches often cause failures, so check connectivity before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.